Yo, what is up guys? It's Myth here. I'm a gamer, content creator, and Team Galaxy member. Me and Xbox go way back. All right, I started playing Xbox when I was like 3. So crazy to see how Xbox has evolved again. With the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Xbox Game Pass, you could play your games from anywhere that you would like to. Because with this little guy right here, you can play them all. I will show you how it's done, all right? To use your Note 20 as your Xbox screen, all you have to do is follow the 3 T's. Turn, toggle, tap. All right, for the next step, I'm gonna bring in a special guest to show you how it's done. Cue in for voiceover me, please. Can everybody see better? Okay, good. And man, I do sound good in voiceover. Go ahead and choose controller as your Bluetooth device and hit up that little Game Pass app. It's looking all nice. All right, now who's ready for some serious scrolling? Once you're in, head to the Cloud tab. Look at all these games. Gears, anyone? I need to smash that play button. Oh yeah, you know what? Shout out to the Cloud, man. Woo! Making this experience possible. And actually, yo, mobile gang, I see y'all. Keep it up. You know what my favorite part of playing Gears 5 on the Cloud is? It's the fact that you could play when and where you want. Love that. Let's go outside. Look at me go! And I get to pick up exactly where I left off when I was playing inside. Seamless, you know it. Speaking of seamless, the Note 20 makes sure that you get that buttery smooth gameplay. We know a thing or two about being smooth. But are you ready to get your game on? Hope so.